If the YouTube app on your Fire Stick is unavailable, just as it is on my Fire Stick over here, in this video I am going to show you how to still download and install YouTube on your Fire Stick without any issue. So first things first, you want to head over to the home of your Fire Stick like so, and then you want to come over to the App Store of your Fire Stick. Just go over to this search bar over here, and then you want to go ahead and search and download the app known as Downloader. It's a very popular app, and even before you finish typing, you should be able to see the downloader suggestion over here. So just go ahead and click on it. Now you want to go ahead and click on the Downloader app and make sure that you download and install this app into your Fire Stick. Once Downloader is installed, before you go ahead to open it up, you want to come back to the home of your Fire Stick like so, and then you want to go over to the settings icon at the top right corner of your Fire Stick. Now scroll down until you get to my Fire TV, click on it. Now at this point you want to go ahead and click on the About option, and then you want to go ahead and continuously click on the name of your Fire TV device over here 7 times to enable the developer options. Now this developer option is what is going to give us the ability to install the YouTube app into our Fire Stick. So just go ahead and click on the name of your Fire TV device over here for 7 times, and you can see now that I am now a developer. So once you're a developer, you want to go back to the previous option, come down to developer options over here, click on it, and then you want to go over to install unknown apps, click on it as well. Now you want to locate the Downloader app we just installed into our Fire Stick, and then just go ahead and enable this feature for the Downloader app. Now once that is done, we can now go ahead and launch the Downloader app on our Fire Stick. So just come over to this list of apps and then go ahead and open up this Downloader app just like so. Now click on Allow and click on OK. Now you want to head over to the browser tab at the top left corner of the Downloader app just like so, and then you want to head over to this input field over here. Now you want to go ahead and search for Aptoy TV. Now in case you do not know, Aptoy TV is actually an independent store for downloading apps. Now that is where we are going to be downloading the YouTube app from. So just go ahead and search for Aptoy TV, and once you're done typing, you want to go ahead and click on the Go button over here, click on Go. And what you just want to do is to scroll down and click on the official Aptoy TV website, which is actually tv.aptoy.com over here. So just go ahead and click on it. Now you just want to scroll down and then click on the Download Aptoy TV button over here, and automatically the Aptoy TV app should be downloading into your Fire Stick by itself. Now once it is done downloading, it will automatically install itself, and what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on the Install button at the bottom over here. And finally, now that we have the Aptoy TV app on our Fire Stick, we can now go ahead and install YouTube using this particular app. So just go ahead and click on Open. Now on the Aptoy TV app, you should see the YouTube app on the home page, but if you do not see it on the home page, then just go over to this search icon at the top left corner of the app. So just come over to this search icon, then you want to go ahead and search for YouTube. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on this result over here, that is YouTube for Android TV. Now the reason is basically because your Fire Stick actually runs under the Android operating system for now. So just go ahead and click on YouTube for Android TV and then click on Install. And once it is done downloading, you want to come over here and click on the Install button just like so, and the YouTube app will automatically start installing into your Fire Stick. One thing you also have to note is that if you're using this Aptoy TV app for the first time, then you might just have to give it permission to install apps from other sources or unknown sources into your Fire Stick, just the same way we did for the Downloader app. So make sure you do the same for the Aptoy TV app, and once you do that, you should be able to now install the YouTube app into your Fire Stick. Now we can go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on the Install button just like so, or we can just go ahead and open it from the list of apps on our Fire Stick. That'll be all on today's video, guys. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.